Let's add this beautiful piece to your home. If you're looking for a simple, beautiful nightstand and you're tired of messy cards and bulky nightstands that don't fit your space, we're going to unbox this beautiful stand together. This is a fabulous piece, and it is very easy to put together. It's fully assembled in the body of it. You just screw on legs. This StowSense wide nightstand is not just furniture, it's a space-saving solution, and we're going to unbox it together and do the quick assembly and show you different ways to style it. It has a very easy to put together guide because it just needs a few pieces, a few legs screwed on. Right away you see no complicated parts, no hardware bags, no stress. It comes fully assembled in the body, which is honestly a huge win. Look how beautiful this is. First thing you notice, it's rustic wood finish. It has a vintage, slightly distressed look that looks and feels warm and high-end. It comes very well packaged. We're going to remove all the packaging, and you will find, first off, there's a really convenient plug that you can use to thread through the back of the piece here, and then you will be able to plug in anything you need on the nightstand without cumbersome cords. That's really one of the biggest wins about this piece. The antique finished drawer pulls are sturdy and they give it a classic charm. It comes with leg pieces like these, 4 of the large size and 4 of the end pieces. Now these are beautiful turned wood antique style. You will screw in 1 at a time of the large pieces on each of the pre-drilled holes. Now this vintage silhouette design with gracefully contoured edges is a beautiful wood finish. I love that about it. And these pieces simply screw in, and we have a bottom shelf that will be very handy for storage. Very easy to screw in. You'll see it's simply 2 easy steps. This beautiful wood plank at the bottom will serve as a shelf, which will be so handy for magazines and books and blankets and lots of beautiful things. And these turned wood legs are just an instant charm. I love how pretty they are and easy to put together. Now the piece is fully done, and we will flip it over and show you what it looks like. Now this is a beautiful piece in the living room as I have it here, like an end table. It's also really pretty flanking a bed as bedside dressers. It's a great, beautiful piece with this antique hardware, and look how easy these beautiful concave drawers slip in and out. Great for storing that remote control that usually is hanging around on the couch. It's beautiful, and it's so pretty with the lamp, and this curved edge here just is nothing to get tagged on, and I really like it. It's a beautiful piece. Now I love having it styled with books. You can put a number of things on it, but one of the best things about it is how you can go underneath it with the vacuum. My automatic vacuum will go under there without any trouble, and it's just a lovely display for some of your favorite things. Now as we put these away, if you need to actually use it and make it practical, it comes with 2 DC outlets, a USB slot and a C slot for charging your phones, your iPads, and with 2 DC outlets you can easily put that iPad to the C drive and use those cards for something else that you might need, like an electric blanket, or a full-sized computer will fit there nicely. And you won't have to use these big blocks. You can plug it right into the furniture and not have any cords dangling in the front or on the sides, and you can be flush against the wall because this nice, convenient design adds a touch of sophistication to any room, making it so easy to actually use it in a contemporary world as well as design it in a beautiful way. It's really lovely. I highly recommend it. It was provided for me from my honest opinion, and I love this piece. I'm going to have this in several rooms in my home, and you can see it's so easy to just use and decorate as well. It has an easy to clean surface, sturdy construction that will ensure it will remain a reliable and stylish addition to your home for years to come. It is 14.6 deep, 27.6 wide, and 26.2 high, and weighs about 32 pounds. It is offered in this antique color and a brown and a vintage black. So you can see, styled again. It's a beautiful addition to my home. I really love it, and I highly recommend it.